Hello students of RLPS, students of class 5th, your subject maths chapter 4 exercise 5. In this exercise we have to multiply these numbers, means we have to find out the product simply. Our question is exercise 5 question number 9. Remaining question 1 to 8 you will solve by yourself. All the questions are similar. In these questions what we have to do, this is 4967 into 922, means this number is multiplied by this number. So this is called multiplicand and this is called multiplier. So this into this, first of all we will multiply by 2. So this is 2 7 ja 14, carry 1, 2 6 ja 12 and 1 13, carry 1, 2 9 ja 18 and 1 19, carry 1 again, 2 4 ja 8 and 1 9, then 2, then 9 also. This is started from ones place, means this is 2 ones, means this number is multiplied by 2 ones, and this number is multiplied by 2 tens, so ones place is 0 there, 2 tens, and this is 900, means this number is multiplied by 900, so ones tens is 00 and it is started from hundreds place. Simply add these numbers 4 7 5 9 7 5 and 4. This is the product of these numbers. Means simply in such type of questions you have to multiply digit to digit. First of all this number will be multiplied by 2, this will be given there, then multiply by 2 again, this will be there, then multiply by 9, this will be there, add all these numbers, then final answer will be that number. This is 45,79,574. Similarly question number 10, 6,854 is multiplied with 372. First of all we will multiply by 2, this is multiplicand and this is multiplier, 2 4 ja 8, this again multiply by 7, we will get this, multiply by 300s place, this is this. Now simply add this and this, so we will have 8 0 8 8, 7 7 14 and 2 16, carry 1, 3 and 9 12 and 16, 6 18 and 1 19, carry 1 again, 1 7 8 and 5 13 and 1 14, carry 1 4 and 1 5 2. This is 25,49,688. This is the answer of these questions. So the answer of multiplication is called product. This is the product of these two numbers, this is the product of these two numbers. Now question number 11, same to same this question. First of all we multiplied by 3, then 5, this, and then add all these numbers, so this will be the product. Simply in question number 12, 4,912 is multiplied with 236. First of all multiply by 6, we will get this number, then multiply by 3, we will get this number, then multiply by 2, we will get this number. Now then add all these three numbers, so this will be the answer there. This is called the product of these numbers. I hope you have understood properly. Remaining parts 1 to 8 you will solve by yourself. This exercise is complete now. Then exercise 6. In this exercise some properties are used there. Properties are, if we multiply any number, suppose that 25 with 1, that will be the 25, because 25 1 is 25. If any number is multiplied with 0, then answer will be, means product will be 0. If any number multiplied by 10, 100, 1000, so simply we will place these zeros after the number. Suppose that this is 35 multiplied by 100, so now 35 banja 35 and these two zeros, so this will be the product. If we multiply any number, suppose that this is 350 multiplied by 10, so simply 350 banja 350 and place this 0, so this will be the answer there. Means if we have to multiply any number with 10 or higher power of the 10, higher power of the 10 means 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, these numbers. So we will place these zeros after the number, that will be the product or that will be the answer there. Some properties are used there also, that is commutative property and distributive property, associative property. What is in commutative property? Commutative property means if we multiply 50 into 5 equal to 250, so if we write 50 into 5 in other way, that is 5 into 50, means we can write 50 into 5 as 5 into 50 according to our need. So this property is called commutative property. Now what is an associative property? An associative property, this is if we have to multiply any number, suppose that this is 50 is multiplied with 10 and 5, so we can write this. If in first case we group these two numbers, and this is already equal to 50 into 10 into 5, and in this step we group these two numbers, means no change will be there in the product of this and this. So grouping, if we change the grouping of numbers, so product will not be changed. This property is called associative property, or we can say associativity. Now next is distributive property or distributivity, that will be used up in this exercise. This will be suppose that we have to multiply 20 with 499. It means this number, this is, let this 22, this number is 499. If we distribute this number, so our product will be easy or question will be easy. In this step we have to multiply 499 by 22. So to simple this question, write 499 as 22 into 500 minus 1. 500 minus 1 means this number is now simple. Easily we can multiply 22 by 500, because 22 5s are 110. 22 5s are 110, and place these two zeros simply. Minus 22 banja 22. Subtract this number. Again, if we have a number, this is 65, and we have to multiply 65 by 998. 998, we have to multiply these two numbers. In this case 65 will be multiplied with this is very difficult question will be there for you. So in order to solve this question, we distribute this number, that will be, we can write 65, this is 998. It means this is 1000, this is less than 2, means 1000 minus 2, we can write 1000 minus 2 means 998. Now we can multiply simply 65 1 is 65, and these two zeros, and minus 65 2 is 130. Now simply subtract 130 from this number, then product will be there. So this is very easy process. This property is called distributive property. So these properties will be used there in this exercise. Let's start this exercise. Question number 3, part D. Question number 1 and 2 are the fill-ups type questions, so you can fill up simply. This is 284 multiplied with 5. 5 means we can write 5 as 10 upon 2, because this number will be multiplied simply by 10 and divide by 2. This is the property. You can also solve it directly. You can do this question directly if property is not given there in the question. 284 into 10 means 2840 into 1 upon 2 means this 2 will be divisor. Then 2 1 is 2, 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4, and 2 0 is 0. This is the answer there. Part E, 546 into 25. Now 25 can be written as 100 upon 4. 100 upon 4. How we can write this? Because if we divide 100 by 4, 25 will be there. 546 multiplied by 100. So this into 1 upon 4 means this number will be divided by 4. Simply divide this number, then we will get this value. You can do this multiplication directly. I already told you can directly, but this is the property, so I give you the property only. Question number 4, part D. 18 into 3065. In this question, property is used up. 18 into, this is 3065. Now write this number in expanded form, means distributive form, means this number we have distributed. Now this is the expanded form. Now we will distribute this number, 18 into this plus 18 into this plus 18 into this. We have distributed. Now this is the expanded form. 18 3 ja 54, these 3 zeros and 54,000. 18 6 ja 108. Now this 0. Now 18 5 ja 90. Now add them easily. Part E, this is 67 into 99. Now 99 will be written as 100 minus 1. 67 1 ja 67, these 2 zeros, minus 67 1 ja 67. Subtract this number from this number, then 6633 will be the answer there. Again 73 into 998. Now 998 will be written as 1000 minus 2. Then 73 1 ja 73, these 2 zeros, 3 zeros, minus 73 2 ja 146. Subtract 146 from 73,000, then this will be the answer there. So this is the solution of your exercise 6. Now remaining questions you will solve by yourself. All the questions are very easy, very simple and similar also. If you have any type of doubt, write me on the WhatsApp group. Before starting this exercise, revise all the properties again. Properties of multiplication is already given in your textbook. Thank you, students.